What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with the mini fight and these Avan Rush props, 2.5 inches. I'm just really curious to see how these props work on this, see how this mini fight performs. I didn't do any tuning or anything, so I was just going to fly this line of sight. I do plan on flying this FPV with these props, depending on how it looks. With these props on it line of sight. I'm going to check for prop wash and all that, but mainly I want to see its punch out and all. If it's just too badly out of balance or really needs to be tuned, of course that's not going to benefit me with just punch outs and all, but I'm just going to take it up and do some flying with it real quick. So as you can see, I got some mud and dirt all in the camera lens and all on here. I didn't really clean it off from the last time I flew it out at the park. Flying it with the 8S, the Devo. So let's get it up in the air. Okay, so let's get it up there. So far it doesn't seem like it needs any tuning. Not too much tuning anyhow. I can see the punch out. The punch out looks really nice. Let's check it out. Really nice. Wow. So I really don't hear any prop watch or anything. This is a 550 milliamp hour 3S battery. So let's see. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it's oscillating or anything. I don't know, I think I remember seeing another reviewer fly these props with the Babyhawk, but they were using a 4S battery, I think. And it seemed like it was giving them problems with oscillations and prop wash. I guess it is a little different when you're flying line of sight. Get a look at it real quick. So I don't know, it seems like it might be worthy of a little FPV flight in its form that it's in now without tuning or anything. It's a little windy out here. I really like these props, man. I think I might like these a little better than the gym fans. And the wind has picked up. It's more of a steady wind now. Seems like it might rain too. this mini fight seems to like these props. Got the truck coming out. That was awesome there. Okay, seems like we might have triggered it to go into LVC warning now. And the battery's tapping out. Let me stop all annoying buzzing. The annoying buzzing. And so these props seem like they play really nice with these motors here. These are 5,500 kV 1106 motors, Sunny Skies. And so it seems really nice with these props on this aircraft here. And the motors are barely even warm. And so awesome. The Avan Rush 2.5 inch props on this mini fight. We're definitely going to check this thing out with some FPV. Thanks for watching.